Welcome students. Today we are going to read very important lesson and the name of the lesson is The Little Girl. Before we start this lesson, first we must know about author. Author is Catherine Mansfield. She was the prominent modernist writer and she was born 14th October 1888, Wellington, New Zealand, and she was died 9th January 1923, Fontainebleau, France. Okay? She has written several short stories. She was known by her stories, and her stories are The Garden Party, Miss Brill, The Doll's House, Bliss, The Fly at the Bay, the collected stories of Catherine Mansfield. Now, after this we come to the lesson. And the characters are, main characters are Kejia's father. Characters are, I have written here main characters and sub-characters. Main characters are Kejia's father, and sub-characters are Kejia's grandmother, Kejia's mother, and Kejia's neighbor, the McDonald's. Now, I am giving you summary of this lesson. The little girl, Kezia, was afraid of her father. She always wanted to avoid her father. She felt relieved when he went out the house, at his presence made her uncomfortable out of fear. Kezia used to stammer in front of her father, and whenever she talked to others, she used to talk in normal way. He appeared so big to Kezia that she would compare him with a giant. Kejia's grandmother wanted that Kezia should talk to her parents more, and therefore on Sunday afternoon she would, said Kezia, to go to drawing room and talk to your mother and father, because on Sunday they both always relaxing. Okay, Kezia makes a birthday gift for her father, and what happened her when one day Kezia had a cold and she did not go to school. Okay, her grandmother suggested her to make with her own hands a pin cushion as a birthday gift for her father. Now Kezia thought that I have to make and what to do. Kezia stitched three sides of a pin cushion. Okay, and then she started to think what to fill. Then what she filled? She started to move here and there, and she found lots of pages in her mother rooms, and she has taken and she tore all the pages and stuffed on the pin cushion, and at last she stitched. Now what happened? The pin cushion was completed, and she has seen that whole side is in proper way, and she is sewing its fourth side also. Later, what happened when her father arriving? He started to search paper, because this paper is very important. Her father has written a speech which he has to given to the port authority next day. Father started to searching, and when he didn't get, Kezia was asked that where all the papers are. and she told that she had torn up and stuffed the paper in the pin cushion. Now what happened? Then what happened? She had made a mistake, so her father punished her by hitting her hand with a stick. She wanted to declare, she wanted to say why she has done, but father hadn't heard a single voice, and she was disappointed. She thought that the whole world father is at the same manner. Each father is very strict like her father. Okay, now a change came in her life. What Kezia has seen, that she has seen that a neighbor besides her house living, they were enjoying their life with laughter and happiness. Kezia has seen that a man, Mr. McDonald, and I have written here the McDonald's means McDonald and his family. McDonald, his wife, and his 5 children lived happily. They were enjoying, they were laughing with laughter, they were playing to each other. Then Kezia thought that in this world there are different kinds of father, like McDonald's. And a change came in her life. And she started to thinking that, she always thinking that all fathers are bad, they are just like a giant. But now she realized that no, in this world there are so many fathers. Those who are carrying their children, love their children, and now also play with their children. Kezia started to be jealous. Oh, why God has not given me like this, Father? And then Kezia's opinion about her father finally changed. How changed? I am giving you. When Kezia's mother fell ill and had to be hospitalized. When Kezia's mother fell ill and had to be kept to the hospitalized, Kezia's grandmother went to look after her living. Kezia to be looked after by Alice, the cook, very minor character, only one time appear, so I have not written here name, very important Alice. And then what happened? While sleeping, Kezia had a frightened nightmare. Bacha, with her knife and robe, woke up crying to find her father standing there. She woke up crying, and what she has seen, her father is standing there. Her father is standing there. She had seen her father. And now, what happened after that? She was in frightful way. She has frightful nightmare, and Kezia had a frightful nightmare with a knife and a rope, and wake up crying to find her father standing there. He took Kezia to his room and lay down beside her to give her comfort. He slept off due to being tired. That is when Kezia realized that he had to work very hard and felt sorry for tearing up his papers. She told him that he had a very big heart. Now, my dear students, with the help of this story, you can get that the story is about the relationship between a father and a daughter. Now what happened in this world, we always think about my father is not good, My mother is not good, my brother is not good, my sister is not good, because they are not giving us freedom. But when we comparize to other guardians, and when we come to our house, why they are chiding us, why they are beating us, why they are always scolding us? Because they are very careful to us. They always think about us. Because their whole world universe is to us. So they are always fearful, afraid to our future. They always think that how the children get their life better. So each guardian, each mother and father likes their children. Now, after reading this lesson, we get that it's a subject of discussion, that everyone is thinking about, that when we read this lesson, that was Kejia's father right to punish her? What kind of person was he? And now this is a discussion, subject of discussion. Now, my dear friends, unfortunately, people feel that Kejia's father was not right to punish her in the way he did, meaning that violence is not tolerated. Kejia's father should have thought of punishing her in some other way. The kind of punishment he gave to Kejia, hitting on her palm with a ruler, was not correct as corporal punishment. Always hurts the child, and it could affect her physical and mental development also. Parents should be kind and affectionate while dealing with children. If a child makes a mistake, they should explain to him her what mistakes he has made and how harmful it could be for family or for himself, herself. Kejia's father was somewhat arrogant and lost his temper. It usually happens in our family, but we all know that we have a busy schedule. We neglect our children, making them feel isolated. Children need the time and love of their parents regularly. Children want their parents to interact with them without hurting their feelings, emotions. Support of parents is very important for child balanced development. I think you will be able to understand what I am telling. So, respect your parents, love your parents, and when you love and respect your parents, then you will get same thing from their side. Thank you. Wish you a happy day. Have a nice day.